Hey guys, I know I'm uploading or making the videos like an hour and a half-ish early, but as I said in another video, or possibly individually to some of you, that it's the last week of summer for me, the last full week. I start school next Tuesday, so I'm like booked with things. I have rehearsal and schoolwork and band practice and a band dance thing tonight, so I'm just gonna make this earlier than normal. The hiccups have been pretty much basic since last week. Same old, same old. I'm using the nose spray to squirts up my nose, up each side of my nose each day, and it's floral scented, which means it's supposed to smell like flowers, but it really doesn't. So it hasn't done anything yet. I don't feel like any difference in my nose, neck, throat area. But I guess I don't know, I have the instructions for it right here. It might take a while to start working. I don't. Hold on. It's called Fluticasone Propionate something nasal spray. I'll write that. And yeah, I don't think I can say it. I didn't read the instructions actually before I sprayed it, so I sprayed it in my nose wrong the first day, and the next day I think I accidentally sprayed 3 times in one side of my nose, so it's been hard. It makes me sneeze a lot more than I normally did. Other than that, the hiccups have been the same as they've been the whole time I've had them. Like, if I lay really still for long periods of time before I start hiccuping, I don't hiccup, but if I have the hiccups and I lay still for a long period of time, it doesn't necessarily calm them down. I still lose them when I'm sleeping. I changed the, that's the wrong side of my shirt, just kidding. The lighting on my webcam, so if everything looks different to you, like hair and clothing articles that you've seen before, it's because it's lighter. So like, this is really a dark bright green and this is a lighter bright green, but it looks like mint and then different mint. Sorry, I got distracted by that. Yeah, I'm off all other medications for it. I don't get a call about getting blood work done yet. I don't see the neurologist again until October, and I don't see the nose spray guy until September 17th, maybe? I don't know, I see him again in September, in a month from when I started the nasal spray, so it sometimes drips out of my nose, so I just took it right before I did this actually, so I'm kind of sniffling because some of it didn't get into my sinuses, which are like here, I think. So that's pretty much what's been going on and pretty much what will continue to go on, so the next few updates might be a little bit boring. A lot of people have been telling me lately that this sounds fake or seems fake. I don't know if they mean like what it's called, or like if they think I'm faking it, or like what, because generally they just tell me it seems fake and then they don't write back when I ask them what part of it seems fake. I just want to let you know that it's not fake. First off, it'd be like, I can't imagine anyone like faking and committing to faking having the hiccups 24/7, because it honestly, it like really hurts, which sounds stupid to most people because you're like, well, why would it really hurt? But like, after a few weeks or days, pretty much days, your whole diaphragm, which is like here-ish. Yeah, here-ish on me. It gets really sore because it's constantly spazzing. Or, yeah, it's constantly spazzing out because that's how the hiccups are made. So that muscle's really sore, and then your muscles around it get really sore because your lungs are like pumping in like stomach areas, like pumping in and out when you hiccup, so it gets sore. And then like your throat also like feels really sore and dry, and it could, like, I have a lot of irritation in my throat, I was told, and extra tissue from the irritation. So it's either caused by the hiccups or the cause of the hiccups, they're thinking. Excuse me. So they don't actually like know what's causing it, they're just trying to treat it. And like even my nose has a whole bunch of inflammation in it from hiccuping, or allergies. We're actually not really sure which, but like, so like in order to fake this, you're physically damaging your body. Like if you're committed like to faking it. I don't even know how. I've never met anyone who could fake hiccups, so I think that's kind of weird. So I don't think that's the part that they think is fake. I think it's more like what it's called, or like me actually having them all the time. But yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to update with today, and probably for the next few weeks. Well, actually, when I start school next week, I'd talk about how I am doing school, because 3 of my 4 classes, or 4 of my 5 classes actually, first semester are class participation classes, such as chorus, concert choir, guitar, independent theater studies, and I have chemistry, which, you know. And then I have chemistry, as I was saying. For those of you who don't know, that was a sneeze. Sneezing. Anyways, I have chemistry also, which you like have to be there for labs and stuff. So I have all these classes that you have to show up. And then like homeroom. We're having homeroom this year, and you have to go to that, which I think is stupid. It's by last name. Yeah. But anyways, that's all I have to update you, so I'm gonna go now and then make my other videos and upload this one. So I'll see you all soon.